Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a AviCAD tutorial how to add rows. So if you want to add rows in a AviCAD, we can use the leader command, type leader, press enter. Like I will click from this point, so be sure for the arrow and click again. The next you can press enter and then enter again. Now we can choose none to create the arrow. If you want to edit, you can select the leader, arrows leader, and go to properties in here. So you can change for the arrows at these points. Okay, I will set for arrow size into 5. Press enter. So we change into 5 for the arrows. You also can set for the color in here, or you can set for the arrow type. If you done, you can click again in drawing area. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to add arrows.